Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. It is I, Ravenwood, and welcome back to the Random Fandom. I'm your host, Ravenwood. And welcome back to On the Shelf. I'm your host, Ravenwood. Okay, that's enough of that. I should really stop doing those type of intros, but I really like introducing myself twice for some reason. Anyways, here it is. The other video I was going to talk about. I was going to do. Not the big one, but this is the other. This is the other idea that I had. I maybe I didn't mention it in the previous episode. I don't know. If I did, I did. If I didn't, I didn't. But there's a big video with not Megatron. Now, I will do a review of Megatron later. I just wanted to use him as the character to display the two Micromasters, right? And of course Blowpipe. But mostly these two. Blowpipe here is just to show you what you can do with him as an extra, I guess. A third wheel, I guess. But yeah, but this video is mostly about Viper and Visper and Stormcloud. Yeah. Now this is a way to have them configured, right? Now in the last episode, I was going to show you how to put these two together. Honestly, it was just basically take this off, put him here like that, and then just bend him down. I'm not gonna bend him down right now, but basically bend him well, I'm gonna barely do it, but bend this part back and have these out. And then just kind of their legs fold like that in a V shape. But yeah, that was a thing that was impossible. Now let's remove the sword, not the show, the sword to show you what I did. Basically, since that can just go into this. And you don't have to have the big gun, right? Oh. And then you insert this into there, into him. Oh. And this is probably why you don't do this. Or maybe a reason why you should do this. I don't know. But it's nice and tight. Probably a bad idea. But yeah, the idea was that you don't drop it, okay? For every character I drop on the show, I should get a penny. Gosh dang it. You just don't want to move. Don't want to. Let's try moving this out of the way and then twist it. Okay, there we go. That worked. Okay, so let's do that real quick. This was not a struggle when I first did this. Okay, it's only doing it now because the camera is on. Okay, blame technology, their curse. Okay, so anyways, let me fix him real quick so that he'll be ship shape. It doesn't really matter, but then basically you insert this part of the sword into that hole. It won't work with Visper because Visper does not have a hole in the front, but it also doesn't have a hole in the back. But it does have a peg to where if you want, you can kind of, sort of. No, not really. If it was longer, then it would probably fit into the canyon. But it's not, so we have to do that. Now, for this, though, I could always just leave it like that. And then it just looks like he's like a big extra cannon on the front. Right? So there's that idea. Take the blast effect off. But there's also this idea. No, okay. Put that into there, so this big cannon, and then put this to there. And now you get whatever this is, whatever this thing is, whatever you want to call it. I wouldn't say a suppressor or a compressor or whatever. I don't know. Soup, or maybe it's more of a spread. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's. I don't know. You come up with something. Maybe it's like as it charges up. Oh, well, the idea is that this goes down as it fires and goes, and then this goes back up and it reloads. The idea that I had in my mind, right? But this is an idea. It kind of looks cool, but kind of also looks for the question. And yes, you can connect them together, and then thus it's now a sword on the tip right there. it can go swish swish slash. But yeah, this is the transformation that you can do with the sword. Not gonna transform them. I personally don't like them. The Micro Master or not, but But yes, this is the idea that I'm gonna end the video with. I had to unpeg him just to get this guy off for some reason. I don't know why. And now, and this is another problem that I have with these characters is they're so small, my fingers are so big and all that jazz. But here we go. There he is. There's the thing, or the things that you can do. And yes, you can even add a blush effect. Any one of the blushes would do. And there he is. Now it's kind of aimed down. I don't know why. That's that. I don't know. But it's just kind of droopy a bit. But there it is. And so that's the end of this episode. And see you all soon. Bye-bye.